I will wash 2 kilograms of plums. I will pit the plums. I put the plums in a deep pot. I add 60 milliliters of lemon juice. I add 1 onion, 20 grams of ginger, hot peppers to taste, 180 grams of sugar, 50 milliliters of water. I put the pan on the stove. Cook at a lower temperature for 30 minutes so that the plum softens. After 30 minutes of cooking, I will grind the ingredients. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I add 5 cloves of chopped garlic to the ground plums. Half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of ground coriander. I'll stir. And I will continue to cook at a lower temperature for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. While the sauce is cooking, I will sterilize the jars in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. I sterilize the lids in boiling water for 10 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, the sauce looks like this. I pour the hot sauce into the jars. I will wipe the top of the jar and close the lids. I store the sauce prepared in this way in a dark and cool place until use. Coat the meat with the sauce and enjoy the fantastic taste. With this sauce, the meat tastes fantastic. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.